Hi, welcome to the Sassy Spoon Kitchen. This is a short little video on showing you the easiest and best way to cook your bacon. Place it on a baking sheet on a piece of baked parchment paper. All the grease stays in the pan and your bacon will come out nice and crispy. You bake it at 375 until crispy, which is usually about 25 minutes. I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. These are center cut pieces of bacon, which usually work best, just to fit the most pieces on the pan. And I usually have a few left over, which I save for baked potatoes or salads. So I'll show you what they look like when they come out. Okay, so there's all the bacon. I think you can see why I like Oscar Mayer better. The Hormel bacon was on sale. What can I say? I think the Oscar Mayer is leaner and just comes out prettier. But anyway, they're both good. I'm putting them on bacon, arugula, and tomato sandwiches. I'll show you how much oil I got out of this. Or lard, whatever you want to call it, actually. So there it all goes. Saved up for another purpose. And then the pan is so easy to wash. You just pull the paper off and wash with a little dish soap or run it through the dishwasher, however you like to do it. But it's really easy to clean. None of the little brown things are on the actual pan. So to me, that's perfect bacon right there. And took 35 minutes for the thicker cut bacon, but these aren't thick cut bacon. It's just thicker for that brand. These are regular sliced bacon, but they're cut shorter, so you get less fat because it's center cut bacon. You don't get the end pieces. So, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Bye.